Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to do an everyday makeup using Makeup by Mario. This is Kim Kardashian's makeup artist. He just came out with his line at Sephora, and this is the Master Mattes palette. So they're all mattes, which I kind of wish he had put one shimmer in there, but I love these colors. They're gorgeous. Wait till you see them on. And I bought his Master Eye Prep and Set. It's like a primer in medium. And guess what? This is worth every penny of its whatever it was, the price it was. This sets your makeup, and let's just get started. All I've done so far is my eyebrows. I have a 3-step process I'm doing. I already did them. What do you guys think though? I like it. It's kind of like a natural look. You start with the gel, which seems opposite to start with the gel. I usually end with the gel. And then you then you put on the Gimme Brow, which is a tinted like brow gel. And then you end with the Ka-Brow color. Like, go watch my eyebrow video though. I'll link it below. And then all I have on is for foundation is my Laura Mercier primer from Costco, if you saw my Costco haul, and then the Hydroxitone Anti-Aging BB Cream as my foundation. And it has SPF 40. Love that. So how easy is that? And then I set it with the Cover FX, and I'll list everything below. Perfect setting powder from Cover FX. I just set my foundation. So that's all I've done so far. So first thing is, now I'm going to use my fingers. So obviously you wouldn't do that if you were applying it to someone else. But I like to use the lighter color here. And I just put it, it's creamy. It's like a creamy, look at that, like a creamy base. And I just put it all over my lid. And you do not need that much. Look at how much pigment it is. Very pigmented. You don't need that much. Just take that, rub it all over your eye. Now, if you're darker complected, you can use the darker, or you can combine the two. Or you can go and buy the darker shade if you're really darker, like have like olive skin. If not, like all you do again is just apply this to your lid. Just pat it on there just like that. And then guess what? You take the powder. Now this is the powder, and you put that on all over the lid, and that sets it. Voila. And that preps your eye for your makeup. And I have been using this for a couple weeks now, and I actually love it. So love this. If nothing else in this whole video, definitely get that. If you're not prepping and priming your eyes, then all the makeup you're putting on them are probably going to wear off during the day. Like, eye prep and primer is important. Okay, that's why all the makeup artists use it. So hot tip, get that. Okay, so we're going to start. Now, in this palette, I'm going to start with the down here in the corner as my first color that I'm going to use. And you just put that. And I've got a fluffy, okay, this is the Morphe M502 brush, which by the way, I love. It's a blending brush, and I'm just gonna put that all over the crease, just like that. And this is just getting it started here. And it's real simple, real light. Now again, this is like an everyday look. It's not really like a glam, like nighttime look. And then I'm gonna build it up with the color right above it, right here. And then I'm gonna like build up that color. And again, this is really gonna go in the crease. Now this is what gives you the illusion. Hello, if you have hooded eyes like me, this is what gives you the illusion of, hi, my eye is open. So this is all smoke and mirrors here. Why do you think we wear makeup? It's anti-aging. Look at that alone, already tired, awake. Like, are you kidding me right now? This is seriously so transforming. And I just like the colors in this palette. They're very neutral. I like neutral shades. Now I like to have fun with crazy purples and things like that too, but this is just a great palette if you just want a great everyday look, and you can build it up because the colors get darker and darker. So look at that right there. Don't you love that? Love that. Okay, anyways, moving on. I'm gonna end with this color here in the top corner. And I don't know how to read, whatever, it's this one here. Just look up if you get it. So, but this one I'm gonna do in the outer V right here. So like that's what you do in the outer V area. So again, and this is more of like a ruddy brown kind of color here, which I love that color. So I'm just gonna build right in that corner there. See that? And see how pigment, it really is pigmented. I love it. And you can just build it. And then just do the same exact thing in the other corner. Again, in the outer V. So, outer V motion. And don't worry if it looks a little wonky because it's all about the blending. So outer V there. Love that. Now what I also like to do is take a little bit of that, and this is more of a smaller brush, so it's more, this is the Morphe M507, and I'll do that in the under my eyes just like this. And that just pulls it up. It gives it more of like a smoky eye. So you run that underneath, just like that, underneath the eye, just like that, okay? Then I'm gonna go back to my M502, Morphe 502, and now I'm just gonna blend it all together. So it's not, there's no harsh lines. So I'm just blending. The blending is so important. I don't know if you know that or not. You have to blend. Okay, then I'm gonna take this MAC, which one is this? 217 in this lighter color here, and that's what I'm gonna use under the brow bone, just like that. And again, the blending, because it looks a little harsh. And actually I'm gonna mix the two. I'm gonna mix this one here and this one here. And I'm gonna put it in the corner of my eye, right there. That brightens it up right there. And then I'm gonna do it again, and I'm gonna blend out that top right under where I've done my eyebrows. And blending is just so important. So just like that. Okay? Now, we could stop here, because here's the problem. I personally like a little shimmer on my eyelid. And of course, we're still gonna do lashes and mascara. Well, let me curl my lashes actually, first of all. And this is the Lancome curler, but I do also like the Tweezerman. You gotta watch my video, the Luxe versus drugstore brands. So I took everything luxury brand, and I found an exact dupe for it at the drugstore. Are you kidding me? You're welcome. Go back and watch that video. Okay, so because it didn't get his contour palette, guess what? The other day I was at TJ Maxx. They had the Kevin Aucoin, what is this even called? The Contour Book Volume 2. Now this has been around for a while, but look at this. It's got all the contour and highlight plus 4 eyeshadows. Love that. Taking that on vacation, my next vacation. So I'm gonna use, because I haven't done my contour yet. So his sculpting powder is ride or die. So watch this. And I've been doing it up a little higher. Look how lifting that is. Hello, yes, please. So that's the color I'm using right now is this right here, this sculpting powder in this color here. Because these two are sculpting creams and highlight cream, and these are the powders in this set. So I like to use the powder when I'm just doing like an everyday look. How great is that? And then don't forget to do your jawline. Right along the jawline there. Look at that, so anti-aging. And then pull it down like this. Okay, then I'm also gonna sculpt up here. Just up here where the sun would hit, like that, okay? So that's the sculpting, but wait till you see the highlight. Oh my goodness. So his candlelight powder, that's the highlight I'm gonna use. And again, it's this one right here. But look at this. Hello, how gorgeous is that? Love that. And I just do a little here, little on here, little on the chin. And then I also like to, because I like a little shimmer, I like to use that same powder and put that under the brow. So because that Mario doesn't have any shimmer in it, and I like a little shimmer, I have to do a little shimmer with the Kevin Aucoin. But look at that, brightening. Love that. Okay, at this point, I'm going to do my mascara. Now, this mascara that I have been loving right now, and oh my goodness, if I can't find it, big trouble. Okay, I might have to go, no, I found it. Bare Minerals, Strength and Length. I don't know why I love this so much. And it was like I think I got it with my points at Sephora, but I don't know what it is about this brush, but it's like flat on the bottom, so it's just like you only use this top part and you go underneath your eyelashes and it goes so far underneath, you are just not even gonna believe. Where's my little clip? Oh well. How amazing this looks when it's done. And by the way, I have been using lash serum. People have been commenting, including my own daughters. They're like, Mom, what are you doing with your eyelashes? I'm like, eyelash serum, hello, which brand is it? I don't know why. I think I put it in my overnight bag. Grande Lash. Grande Lash. You can get, this is the Grande mascara. It's all gold. It has Grande Lash, Grande brow. But look at the difference right now in my eyes. Hello. How much more awake do I look and bright and cheery? Like, hi. Okay, get this mascara. Bare Minerals, Lengthen Strength, Serum Infused Mascara. I don't know. I love it. So it's super, super amazing. And it doesn't clump, even though it is very, it has a lot of product on it. It just, for some reason, it doesn't clump. And it just lengthens and thickens your eyelashes like crazy. So this is like my new favorite mascara right now. So, you like that? Okay. Now, what was I going to finish with? Oh, I'm going to finish with under eye cream because I do have dark, you can see I have dark circles, and my favorite under eye cream is obviously Tarte Shape Tape. So we're going to put a little of that under the eyes, and then I'm going to finish with one other little trick that I found recently. So you just you don't need a lot. This is running out. That's why it seems like I'm putting a lot on, but it's really kind of dry. Do not use a lot of this because you don't need that much. Okay, then take a little foundation brush and you just, and then it cleans up anything that has fallen, cleans it up, cleans up this little, makes more of a cat eye when you clean up under there. Love that. Okay, same thing over here. Under here, just clean everything up, but look at how bright, okay, watch that, see? This just cleans up anything that has fallen, and it kind of gives you that cat eye because it's lifting, and it's it's all about the lift. See that? Can you tell? It's anti-aging, lifting, and brightening. Is there a word called anti-tired? It gives you that, hi, I'm not tired. I'm really not. I promise you I'm not tired look. Okay, and then I'm going to end with, because I got this the other day at, I think, Ulta, if you watch my Ulta haul. This is Laura Mercier Under Eye Powder. It's Under Eye Setting Powder. What do they call it? Secret Brightening Powder for Under Eyes. Okay, yes, please. So you just take this and you set this right under your, a lot of product. I'm going to tap it off a little bit because it's a lot of product. So just tap it off, and then you just, see that? Sets your makeup. How great is that? And there you have it. I will list everything below. There you go. How do you like it, guys? Oh, one last thing though, because I do like a little shimmer. I was telling you, I never like to end without a little shimmer right in the center of my lid. So in this, now I could use this candlelight, but they have this starlight and it's really shimmery, and it's a trick of the trade. Makeup artists do it all the time. So I just put a little on my finger and I put it right in the center of my lid. If you've seen my videos, you've seen me do this before. And so I put it on with this right in the center. And again, it's very brightening. Hello, see that? It's like an optical illusion. And then I'll take my favorite little blending brush from the MAC 217. And then I just kind of blend it a little bit like that. There you go. There you have it. So that's a great everyday look. And I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you are getting and what's out there. What am I missing? I want to do some more videos, and I want to share some more ideas with you. I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to love God, love others. And until next time, I'll see you later.